Let's go on to the next one. Let's start with the next area. Very nice area called Audit of Local Bodies. Local Bodies has four questions. Four questions. Let's do. Question number one for us is question number one. Let's start. Question number one is, sir, what are the various categories of grants? Very simple. General purpose grant, specific purpose grant, statutory and compensatory grant. That is question number one. Question number two. Question number two is in relation to, sir, financial administration of local body. Very simple. Covers three areas. Look here, see, we had done a hand action in the class. We did this. Budgetary procedure, expenditure control, accounting system should be there. Budgetary procedure, expenditure control, accounting system. Okay, so you have budgetary procedure, expenditure control, accounting system in this case. Okay, let's go to the next one. We did the audit program in relation to local bodies. Look here, for bigger municipal corporations, they can afford to appoint external auditors. For smaller municipal corporation, every state government has a local fund audit wing. So local fund audit wing of the state government will get the audit done. Okay. What is the main purpose of the auditor? After the appointment of the auditor, he has to check whether laws, rules, regulations have been complied with respect to the expenditure of the government, whether scheme program projects are done after proper sanction, whether proper provision is made and it is authorized by the competent authority. He has to mainly check that any scheme, project, program. I had given the example in the class in regarding this of the midday meal scheme, and I told about the midday meal scheme of the government of India. So in that case, I told you that expected result should be achieved and it should be within the budget. That is called financial control. This is what we had seen. Okay. Last but not the least, auditors should report on something called as flavor. This flavor code helps us in one of the points in question number 3, an entire answer, which is question number 4. What is the flavor code? So flavor code you see here. I'll just show you here. First is fairness of the contents and presentation of financial statements. So financial statements F. Then strength and weakness of the financial control F. So it is F square. You can see here F square. And after that, you have legal and administrative requirements. Have we adhered to that? That is basically L and A. So you will have L and A. Whether value is being fully received or not, that is basically V. E is errors and fraud should be detected. That is E. And resources misuse is happening or not. That is R. Flavor. And the next answer, that is objective of local body audit, also has the same code only. You can see here financial statements, financial controls, legal administrative requirements, values being fully received, and error or fraud detection and prevention, and resources misuse. Similar points. You can go through it. Simple. That completes your question number 4 of local bodies.